Hey everyone, it's Asnan here. I'm not sure if I'm live yet, but it's gonna start in a minute. You can skip few minutes. Alright, I'm live now on YouTube. That's why it says, hey everyone, welcome to this live. I'm live after a week, I think, because my grandma passed away, and that's why I couldn't come live. I wasn't even online much last many days. So right now I'm live to see what's going on and share my view with everyone. Just give me a minute, let me just share this live with my group member, my education group member who I'm educating on Facebook. Just give me a few minutes, let me get ready, and then we'll have a good chat and we'll share more stuff in details. Hopefully you watched my last live where I explained in details more things that I'm gonna talk about what really happened after that, what should have happened, like a normal healthy trend, how that normal healthy trend should work or do the job comparing to now. Just give me a minute, let me just share this live in the group so everyone can join easily. Thing is, my PC gets so slow for some reason when I do live or stuff like this, heavy things, because I have three Google Chromes opened with at least 15 to 20 tabs in total, and I have softwares open and so on. Give me a minute, let me just share this and we'll go in details of what's happening right now. Smart crypto trader. Short videos anymore. Why you don't make? The thing is, I don't make short videos. It's time consuming. You can watch few minutes of my live after I start giving analysis. You can skip few minutes, first 1-2 minutes where I share the links and do stuff. You can skip those and watch the live where I explain about Bitcoin details, and then after that I go to question and answers, then altcoin analysis. You don't have to watch all of it. You can always, if you're watching the replay, do let me know in comment section please. And yeah, I'm live on Facebook and YouTube, both sides. Alright, so let's go with the analysis and see what we're doing next. Let me know where you're watching from and how's your day going. You're loving the moon shot. The thing is, based on major levels, 10k is our lower high, right? In big time frames, our major level to break is 10k. After that will be like a rocket, right? Bitcoin will be a rocket after that, like fully we'll see a lot more volume coming in, a lot more confidence that I do invest into mining. So yeah, after 10k there's gonna be big boost in it. Alright, these are just early moves that Bitcoin is giving us, but the major stuff is gonna happen after 10k. I really believe that. I'm good Azhar, hope you're doing good as well. Alright, so this is the same chart, exact same chart that we drew in last live a week ago, right? I haven't changed anything yet. I think I haven't changed anything yet. Oh, I did this line, yeah I did. So let's remove this for now. So this is the exact chart that I was looking at. Did I move this? No, I think I may. Okay, so first we struggled here for the whole week. Market struggled here to break this for whole week. We got a rejection signs, but the thing is, momentum was so strong and big guys didn't even try to get out here. These are the small guys that wanted to sell here, and we've seen a small pullbacks and accumulation been happening here. Then I was expecting a pullback to this level, at 7,000, nearly 7,000, and never happened. You know, the thing is, for me buying here, the next stop loss place is around here for me, around this area. This is too much for me. That's why I didn't want you to buy here. I already have my long-term positions in my Ledger wallet. The thing is, this is gonna be a trading position that I'm gonna trade, sell, buy and sell based on support and resistance and the levels I will see. All right, as soon as as long as it holds the support, I will keep it, and I will keep moving my stop losses up and up and up. So that's what my plan was. But right now here, it wasn't a good healthy trade based on risk and reward. The thing is, trading is based on risk and rewards. If your risk is too high and the reward is just random, like the thing is, it could reversal here. I can't just buy here. No smart trader will buy here because they know it can always go reversal here. We have resistance, horizontal resistance, a trend line coming down. We have resistance from down here. So there's so many resistance that it wasn't worth buying here. I was waiting for a pullback around this area, even as I explained what I was expecting. I saw, as many of you know, if my group members, I sold at the top, some at around this area, some around this area at the next leg up. I sold it here in this one, but I didn't buy because I knew it's just a fake that's gonna happen because the volume wasn't there. It was a weak move. But yeah, and I sold some at 19,500, 30%. Not much, but 30% around. And then I've been waiting, even though I saw this, I saw the break. After the break, I was looking for a retest and then go up. That would be much more healthier. Everyone was waiting for this, like smart money, big trade, like good traders has been waiting for this. I've been speaking to many. I have many friends traders, so they were waiting for this pullback, and now it happened. All right, we broke out. Now we're expecting a pullback here to so from here I'm expecting a pullback around this area, 8,000 to 7,800 roughly. If you get that pullback, market may test 8,800 to 9,000 again, this area, or at least it's gonna test this area. So I'm going to buy here and see, as long as it holds, if it shows good volume, I will keep holding. But when I see a RSI doing this and this after double top here, that shows a diversion, and then this is a signal to get out of the trade. And I will show you what divergence means in 1 hour, because we already have divergence here at this level, and I will show you how divergence works. So that's what I'm looking for. I have many things in my mind, but first I'm gonna wait and see if we can get here. With the FOMO, the market doesn't even come to buy levels properly. It just jumps right back. Maybe it jumps from here. It's not something I'm looking for. I'm looking to buy here and set stop loss around here, yeah, around this level. Then it's favorable. Even 1-to-1 is, yeah, is risky, but end of the day is decent. You know, this is our next support level, a major one. What is, let me see what that number is. Okay, it's 72, the major one for now. If we hold this, it's absolutely fine. We can always come down here 6,000-7,000, but it's not likely. All right, we're gonna break down easily down here. Okay, the momentum has been so strong. Okay, the momentum has been so strong, so it's not very easily to see again at 7,000. But if we see that, we can always come down again. The thing is, market, if you see, we just go rejected from 618 fib level. All right, 618 fib level here. This is what happens on reversals. Many of my group members know that I'm trading forex as well at the same time. And in forex, what we do is we see so many rejections happening around these zones, like around this or 618, around these levels, and the market continues down. All right, this is, if that was forex, I would be seeing, if I get a reversal sign on one day here, a double top divergence, I will go bearish, right, on forex. But the thing is, with crypto, you need to be very careful what you're doing. You need to see more about the hype, sentiments, a lot more stuff than just technical analysis. And right now we completed the target of head and shoulder. Okay, this was our target here, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder has been completed already. And now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We closed above 618. Let's see if we can hold it. Yesterday kind of was huge. It's just a matter of time. We need to close above 8,000 at least above 7,800 for a weekly close. Let me go. I'm not checking any comments right now. If you're commenting, I will check your comments in a minute. Let's go to weekly. I'll show you something that many of you haven't seen yet. So weekly, we're rejecting 618. Weekly matters a lot because big trader go with these type of time frame. And right now on weekly, as you see, our lower high, major lower high is 10,000, and this is our major lower high. If we go back down, this is gonna be our major high, lower high. And this, we had minor support here, sorry, resistance. That was 7,800 minor resistance, 7,800 on weekly. We have a lot to look at around this area, 8,500 to 8,800, and then 9,500 to 10,000. There's so many resistance levels that the momentum is very strong, and Bitcoin has been breaking easily, and RSI is recovering above 50. That's what I said. This week is important for Bitcoin, and you need to have close eye on it. I will, yeah. So have a close eye on it. This was our first weekly support that Bitcoin held pretty nicely. This I've been saying, I've mentioned this few times. This was our first weekly support, but our major ones. Then the next one was here around 4,500 to 5,000. So it held pretty nicely. It was good so far. So I always been bullish on long term. I was bearish on 1 day time frame, the short term. I always been bullish. Even it goes to 3k, 3,000, I'm still bullish. On monthly chart, it's still bullish, even 3,000. So I'm not worried. I have my long term position there, but to trade, I want to get more entry and see how it's gonna happen, bro. I've been saying, if you follow me, I've been saying that like no one knows what's gonna happen after 1 year. People speculate. This is not a technical analysis. I'm a price action trader, and price action is what I'm seeing on the chart, what past history shows me, and it doesn't show me what's gonna happen after 1 year, right? It's not gonna show me what happens after end of this year or next month, right? You can see a monthly chart and see probably what's gonna happen next month, but we need to see if on monthly we're gonna see a bullish engulfing like this. Alright, if in monthly we see a bullish engulfing like this, it's gonna be so good, guys. It's gonna be so good. We need to close above 7,500 if we wanna see monthly bullish engulfing, above 700 to 7,800. Alright, if you close above 8,000 by end of this month, next 5 days, it's gonna be so good for Bitcoin. And even though it gets a pullback, this is a bullish engulfing on monthly. Remember, bullish engulfing has been working amazing on Bitcoin on weekly charts and daily charts. And if we get a monthly, this is gonna be so bullish. I'm just waiting for it to get close of it in 5 days. Then you're gonna see a lot more confidence in the market, and if we break 10k, boom, it's gonna boom. And then we have next level 11,500 to 12,000, 11,800 is a level to look for. If we break that, the next, there's no major resistance on monthly. Is that we're gonna see a big numbers right at the top. But for now, just wait 5 days. We'll see what's gonna happen if we see a monthly breaking or coming down. Next 5 days, weekly close, monthly close are very important. You need to keep that in mind. And when I saw a few days ago, a few weeks ago actually, when I saw RSI coming to 50 level, monthly RSI, I said probably bounce may come. you know, even though I had this number in my mind, this is our first monthly support, and it never came down there. So the things gonna change probably after this bullish engulfing. And there's one more thing to keep in mind, that bullish engulfing has to be on support. Alright, that works great, and it's in middle of nowhere, but based on this we have rejection, a good rejection here. We close below this and we are rejecting again. So sentiments are changing. There has been FUD news yesterday, but still is holding nicely, and like strong hands. Every dip is getting bought like easily. Every dip is getting bought by big guys probably, because I seen some good selling sign, but they keep buying again and again. Let's go to 1 hour. I'll show you something that I was looking at. Before this dip happened, we had a signal. Alright, dip is coming. It was here. We saw divergence. If you see, we have move up, but RSI gave us move down. It shows that there is a weakness in the market, and we had pretty good selling pressure here, and then we had buying and buying and buying, and suddenly the momentum slowed down. There is very low volume right now. The momentum slowed down a lot, and the market is trying to hold higher low. Right, this is our first hourly higher low. We broke this, but it wasn't like big deal. But this is the one we need to look for, about around 8100 to 8180. Yeah, 8150. So if we break this, then I'm probably gonna look for this level, 7800, if we break this level. But end of the day, you know that 8k is a number that people are gonna look in, have in mind. Alright, pullback comes to 8k, we'll buy. Alright, it's just in their mind. People think that way. 5k, 8k, 3k, 10k, things like this, and that's why 8k is gonna get probably a little bit support as well. But what is like a safe area is 7800, because the stop loss is gonna be pretty damn tight, and that's what I wanna see in my trading. I wanna have good entries to get good stop losses. If I get entry around here, then the stop loss is gonna go down here. This is huge stop loss. If I get entry here, these are the minor level, they can break easily. If you're thinking long term, you need to have stops below strong levels. Alright, that's why I need a good entry first before setting stop losses. If I get entry around here, I can always set my stop loss below this level. This is big one, a big stop loss, but I will keep an eye on it and see how the thing's going. And if it, as long as it holds 4 hour high and low, it's all good. We need to hold this level and see what's gonna happen next. Bitcoin may do 4 hour high and low. This is not 4 hour, this is 1 day. That's what I'm expecting, guys. I already explained what happened, that should have happened. We should have got pullback. That would be much healthier. You know, I don't want Bitcoin to come down. What I want is healthy move. A healthy move, break that health, and then retest. A retest is a pullback high low, because the more high low it builds, the better support we will get. The thing is, if we would have built here, we can always set our stop losses below that and ride it. But now we can't just buy here and then the stop loss needs to come down here. I even gave a signal, like not a signal, I said you can buy here. If you remember, many of you are already watching me, watched me back then as well. I said to buy here and set stop loss here. The thing is, with me, I was waiting for a break and a pullback. Mass rise is different, alright? People can buy here. I already said if you have an eager to buy, if you don't have miss, you can buy here. But I didn't buy. It does not make me a someone like, I don't FOMO. I already said many times, I don't FOMO. I don't care if I missed the opportunity. It does not matter, because market will always be there to give me opportunities. I have so much opportunity in Forex as well, here in crypto as well. So even if I'm limited to opportunities in crypto or Forex, I can go stock. market as well. I just need to understand, like I did spend a lot of time learning forex, understanding it, how things work there comparing to crypto. And yeah, I'm getting on. Like it's slowly building up. Things do take time. Every market will give you new lessons, right? I learned so much in forex. I started with very small account because I didn't want to go to demo. I can afford to lose the money I put there, so I'm using a smaller slot and playing around and seeing how the thing's going. And I have a target that if I reach there with small account, I will add more. So my plan is to go 5k and then 10k account. So I'm gonna keep building that forex account, like adding fresh money, right? Slowly as I start getting better and better in it. So far so good. It seems so good when you know what you're doing. You don't get much stress. You know where the stop losses are. If it hits stop losses, that's fine. You already have in mind, all right, this will be your stop loss, and this is what I can afford to take, the loss I can take, and this is the profit I'm willing to take. Things like this. You need to look all the time frames. Okay, if you want to trade with the trend, look at the major time frames. Monthly, weekly, we are bullish on Bitcoin, and that's why you're seeing this move, because on daily only we were bearish. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, we never been a long-term bearish. I always been saying never been a long-term bearish, but 10k is a level we need to look for. All right, if we want to see a big moves coming in the market. 10k is gonna be big level. Even though this 9,000, 8,800, this is gonna be a struggle move because we're right at this level. This is pretty strong level as well. And we have 618 fib level that getting rejected here. It can be a fake out. If we close below 618, we can retest tomorrow around 350, and then a pullback down here, and then retest, probably retest, and then we're gonna see if we're gonna 1 second. From here I'm expecting tomorrow maybe something like this, and retest. If we manage to hold this, we're gonna retest again this level and make a higher low. That's what market needs to break it above this, and then it's gonna be decent stuff. By then we will have monthly close and everything close, and we'll have much clear picture. For now the picture is not too clear, but it is. The thing is, momentum has been so strong, and it gave a lot of confidence to bulls that we are here to stay. But yeah, you know, this is nothing too special for now. This market works on FOMO. CNBC been saying it will go down more, and suddenly they change, they say it's gonna go moon and stuff like that. There's so many stuff that happening. People look for a reason, you know. When it's pumping or dumping, people go find why it's dumping. They find news. Guys, chill out. There is no news. Big guy does not look at the news. They make news. They make you follow the news and dump on them so they can buy, pump, so they can sell on you. You know, news comes after. We see that before in technical analysis, before the news even there, and people try to find it. So many times I see the chart says already that it's happening, but the news comes after. The volume shows that the interest, the momentum is dying, right? Suddenly we had volume spikes and all that, and we are getting slowed down like hard. This is 4 hour higher low. First 8100, 8120. We need to hold that. If we don't hold that, the next level is 7800. That probably gonna test. It's not dumping, it's just a pullback. I don't know why people don't understand. Dumping is something like is crashing. Like dumping is something like this. We've seen in one day $1,000 move, something green candles like this, red candles like this, red candle. This is a small pullback. Look at this, is nothing comparing to yesterday move. This is only 20-30% of that. Only yesterday one move. So chill out. You can't just expect to buy here at the top and make it keep going and going and going. Hello Samir, hello everyone. I haven't checked on YouTube. Let me see the comments. Yeah, let's go all in. See a coin Binance target in bull run. I don't know. The thing is, I've been explaining that I'm a price action trader and I will trade based on what I see on the chart. Now, what's gonna happen after a bull run comes and what will be the target, stuff like this. This is not who I am. This is not how I predict the market. Okay, people do it. I know. I watch videos. It make me laugh. People say, all right, this is the target, buy here, this will go here, this does have news, this and that. It does not matter, guys. It does not matter. Technical analysis, price action will tell you what's happening right now. Market is telling me what's happening right now. It shows momentum is dying, volume shows it's slowing down. There's some stuff that is in front of me. That's why I can share what I see. I can't share what I can't see. You get my point? I don't know if he's gonna cross 10k. I don't know what's gonna happen next. I want market to tell me, the chart to tell me what's likely to happen next. What possible to happen next? Nothing is sure here. Nothing is sure. Right? Forex trader, the best forex trader, they win up to the average, you can say 60% of the trades. How can you expect to be? No one is 100% right. Okay, go at 10, like an expert who got 10 years experience, he will tell you no one can predict any market 100% for sure. Right? That is not okay. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about risk and reward, risk management. Right? If you have good risk management, even you win 50% of the trade. If you are 50% wrong, 50% right, you can still make money. But you need to have a proper risk management and how you deal with your trades. I've seen many traders, they do very long trades and they said they win only 40%, 30 to 40% trades, but their trading strategy and their risk management is amazing, and even winning 30-40% of the trades, so 3-4 trades out of 10. But their trades are very long ones, long-term trades, as long as swing trades, as long as it's going, as long as. Hey, what's up, Sunny? Yeah, you missed the live, man. You missed most of it. I think you just woke up. Thanks, Andrew. That's what I was trying to explain. Like, if I'm wrong, if I'm wrong, does not matter to me, because end of the day I did cut my risk, but I can always make double of that in next trade. You get my point? It's just not about being right or wrong in trading. It's just about risk management, how you manage your risk, and how you gonna do the next trade, and your mental stuff, like how you control your emotions in next trade. If you stay too emotional and think about the last trade that you lost, you're never gonna win in this game long term. You will always be thinking about your losses. You just need to be strong that side. It takes time, but you need to work on yourself. And FOMO is not something you wanna do. FOMO will destroy you at some point. Look, I could have always get here at this 7800 breakup, but I didn't, because I didn't see it as a very healthy move, and I wanted to see how far it can go. It can always could have gone just 8100 and then next day boom down, a fake out. So I wanted to see this, and now a pull back to 7800 to 8000. This is what I'm looking for. Buy slowly as it stays in this level. I'll start to try to accumulate and see how it's gonna go, and then try to have a decent stop loss. But buying here or buying at the top, stop loss is gonna be massive. I didn't want it that, okay, because market is very, like, what can I say, it's like based on hype. Like this whole move is based on hype. If we had a head and shoulder, it completed the target, and it keep going and going and going. We didn't even get a pullback for a retest. Mostly I seen on forex who do get pullbacks after each break. We do get a big moves like this, and then the pullback probably there mostly, but it doesn't matter if we didn't get a pullback. We can always get a decent entry again. You're very welcome. Thank you very much, guys, for this. Altcoin goodbye, Kanaji. Advaita, I did said about altcoin that yesterday. I posted yesterday about altcoin. You can buy altcoins. Like Sia coin is on 130 satoshis. The stop loss should go around 115, 160, 17, because 120 is a major level. If it breaks, this is gonna crash more and more. 200, then if 100 doesn't hold, then a lot more. But it's good risk and reward. Let's go with some altcoin, and we'll finish this live. Guys, altcoin you want me to, if you want to learn more, I have made a course in details explaining all this while explaining my Facebook lives, so you can learn more in detail how to do technical analysis, how price action works. Alright guys, 5 coins. I will do 2 from YouTube and 3 from Facebook. Lisk BTC. Lisk is pretty nice, eh? Our soul, and right at the decent level zone, a support zone. A pretty good buy here, honestly. If you're willing to take the risk, you can set your stop losses. Stop losses are big here, man. That's the problem in crypto. You make huge, but stop losses has to be pretty big based on the next swing low. If you see the market, look, the market came back to prices in 2017 in December. This was the price in December here. The market gave you again the same prices. I don't know why people rush to buy up there. You see, you got the same. If you're a trader, that's fine. If you're buying and holding, you don't have to. Market came back to these prices. Look, every time it bounced up, it came back to these prices. Now from here, I'm expecting a bounce, a first target around 100k satoshis. It's on 60k satoshis right now. I mean, there are minor resistance around these levels, 70, 80k satoshi, 90k satoshi, but 100k satoshi, and so on. The 130 next. So there are some levels, but right now this is pretty good in my opinion. But wait for higher lows. No one knows the bottom. The markets keep dropping. You can always see the market is gonna retest 69, 70k satoshis, and it gave you a pullback, a higher low, like Bitcoin gave us higher low. After 5800, the next higher low was 6100 roughly, or 6060 high low. So it gave us high low, wait for a high low, and then a breakout, something like that. But this is very strong zone to look for. You can always set stop loss based on your choice, but hey, you can always go lower. It's oversold, highly oversold on daily, highly oversold. It's a risky buy. It's not all that comparing to you buying here. It's a good buy if you wanna hold long term. If there's any news, it can easily pump and give you 100%. Alright, let's go with ETC. Alright, ETC. I've been explaining. Remember this? When I did a live, I said it's breaking out, but I did it by myself because I want you to get a high low. like this. Bitcoin broke, for example, Bitcoin broke this 7800 here. Alright, Bitcoin got a top. This is one of the example you need to keep in mind. Market does this type of shitty stuff. This is based on hype. The market broke up here. Okay, Bitcoin went to 8500, then now it's trying to come down, and it broke down, and then retested. It gave us a huge fake out. After this, I remember I still did a live. I said this huge candle, this one, is telling us the market wants to go down, and this is no trade zone. This zone is no trade zone unless only thing can be happen here is selling. I said that here because of this rejection. A big guys trying to get out of the market, and after the break of this was selling. That's why you seen a big candle, and this was our support, next a major support, and after this break it never stopped. It's keep going and going and going and going. This is pretty much a decent level to buy, honestly. If you really want to buy ETC, this is a good level to buy. You can always set stop loss here. It's gonna be a 10% stop loss, but the thing is you can always it can always retest around this level, so you can always make a 20% if altcoins start moving up. APPC. Alright, strat 1. Hi guys. APPC BTC. See, it's Aptoid, I think, application coin. Alright, it does have good buying here. Accumulation going on here. Huge buying at this level. Selling as well at the same time. But it's trying to break the down again. So this is your 2500 is a level that you need to look for. If it breaks that, you can buy some. It's a risky buy right now. It does not have any support. No one knows how low it can go. That's the problem with coins. When every coins will start, like all the when the all start moving, this coin will start moving even without looking at technical analysis. That's what's gonna happen, because right now it's nowhere. It broke a major support. Yeah, let's check our XRP. Someone asked me if they should buy XRP or not. Oh my god. Alright. Who remember this? When I did a live, I said this is our resistance. I think it was around here. I had a bounce. This is a huge reaction. Remember those back in a few weeks ago, we had a small bull run in alts, and many alts start moving. People start saying alt season back. Like I said, it's just a retest of resistance, and that's what happened. Resistance retest failed, and then came down here. It tried to pump here, but it couldn't. And then we had a bearish engulfing, breaking support, and then boom, 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 boom. It's been going down, 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 down. Your next resistance is 7,000 satoshis from here, and next support is a major support is 37,800. But you can always move up from here. You never know. That's the problem with altcoin. You never know where the bottom is, because it fails so much. The panic selling, it just won't let you know, decide easily. So ultimately this is a major one that we need to keep an eye around 3,500 to 3,700, roughly that area. This is a very good buy. Comparing to now, it's a risky buy. Depends, if you're buying long term, you can buy slowly, and then there will be a pullback. If all seasons, like all arts, start moving, this will start moving too, and this is gonna test 7,000, roughly 6,800 to 7,000, because this is where the resistance are right now. It was a support, but now it became a resistance. You're welcome, Narayan. Alright. There's too many coins, guys. I can't do much because I'm getting code from my mom, so I'm gonna do one more and finish this live. Even though I have to do it at the end in Hindi Urdu, I will be quick. Oh damn, this is so messy. I've been doing these charts on my Facebook Live because I don't even do them here anymore. Who remembers this? Who remember these zones when I said I'm looking for TRX to come in this zone? A perfect zone, guys. If you want to buy TRX, I've been saying 450 to 500 is a level. So if right at 450, if you want to buy long term, this is the zone to buy. And next, our major support is 300 Satoshi, 320 Satoshi. But hey, this is where you got volume yesterday, and the interest is coming here. People start buying a little bit slowly. But what can I say, guys? 500 is next resistance minor, and 560. That's the problem, guys. You need to wait for higher low. We keep getting lower lows, right? This is not a safe buy, this is aggressive buy. Alright, that's what we call aggressive buy. Right now it's a very aggressive buy. We need to wait and move up. Like, I'll show you what I mean. We need to wait and move up, a pullback giving us a higher low. This is our lower low, a higher low, and then move up like this, and then there will be a pretty, if we hold this, it's gonna slowly move up like this. But this is very aggressive buy. Every coin you buy like this, making a lower lows, is aggressive. It's aggressive entry. You need to keep that in mind, guys. There's too many coins. I already did no, I haven't done Stratis. Let me do Stratis quickly. Alright, guys, Stratis is the last coin I will do. I'm getting my mom call, so yeah. Alright, I don't remember last time I did what I said, but as I remember, based on these lines, we had a price around now. I don't remember. Honestly, I don't remember my last analysis. Maybe I've been saying this is our first resistance, gonna test this. It tested again, and now it's making lower lows again. That's a problem. It's making lower lows again. Damn, this is so bad. Look for bullish engulfing reversal patterns. Look for reversal patterns in the market. That's all I can say, guys. That's all I can say, because this isn't looking great. Even though we have what I was saying, bullish divergence here. We had bullish divergence here, and that's why market moved up from here for a few days based on bullish divergence. The volume was coming in, and the market gave us bullish divergence, and that's why it went up like this. It gave us a decent gain. Whoever bought this here looking at bullish divergence on daily must have made decent money. And then all start selling, and boom down. So there is nothing interesting in that altcoin, most altcoins. So I don't really have something like, honestly, I'm holding this. I could have sold it. I just didn't. I'm just stupid. I have in Ledger. I couldn't be asked to get in from Ledger. Is not too much of my capital, but it is decent amount of coins that I have from last year when it was very low, so it doesn't really affect me much. That's it, guys. I need to go right now. I'm getting cold. Ethereum. Let's do Ethereum ETH USD. Let's do Ethereum. Ethereum is doing nice job though, very nice job. It's building up slowly, but making a rising wedge, which I'm not a fan of. Is making a rising wedge, which I'm not a fan of. It gave us bullish engulfing yesterday, and if it can hold and break up, that's good enough. If it doesn't, that's a bad sign though overall. This is the level I'm gonna look for next. This is your next 550 roughly is your next resistance with ETH. You remember, I don't know when did I do analysis on this, but this is when I did sorry, it was a course video that I was doing on this, explaining ascending triangle, and that is how I got these lines. And if you see, the market came just at $400 dollar. I had this level in my mind, but I missed to enter. But then I saw it was around here 480. I said no, screw it, I don't want to buy there. And it gave me one more chance to get into at 420. I missed that again. It's just me being stupid, maybe. I'm keep missing the entries though, because this thing is going to go high probably. But for now, it's nothing. It's not doing anything serious. It broke this. It tested there, like it was perfect entry here, 420. It came down here, tested, and moved up. And now, if we break this, the next is gonna be 630. So it's doing good job. So 630.40 is our next major level to look for. This one, 650. So this one, and then the top 800. Let's see what's gonna happen. But there are a few levels. The thing is, when we started runs, there wasn't any resistance at the top, but now we do. The market won't be as much as like before, right? Things gonna change, because before we had no resistance at the top. Every new coin just pumps because there's no resistance. People don't know where to sell next. They just keep buying and buying and buying. So that's why new coin you see pumping a lot and just dumping, because no one knows. Even traders don't know what to do. Like, they look for history. We don't have history. If there is no history, technical analysis won't really do the great job. We need history for that. Alright guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next live. Let me just give overview in Urdu quickly. अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अभी मैं क्विकली आपको बता दूं बिटकॉइन के बारे में, क्योंकि मुझे कॉल आ रही है मेरी अम्मी की। ओके, अगर आपने मेरी लास्ट वीडियो देखी है और अभी इंग्लिश में अगर देखी है तो फाइन, इफ़ नॉट ये देख लें। तो मैंने क्या बताया अभी कि बिटकॉइन का जब मैंने लास्ट टाइम एनालिसिस किया था, मैंने बताया था कि एंड पे हम ये ब्रेक के बाद मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ पुल बैक का, जो एक नॉर्मल मूव, हेल्थी मूव होती है, एक जो सेफ मूव होती है। यहाँ पे लेके बंदा नीचे स्टॉप लॉस लगा सकता है इजीली डाउन है, बट अकाउंट में यहाँ बाय नहीं कर सकता, ये रिस्की है बहुत। स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है। अगर यहाँ पे ये रेजिस्टेंस है, रेजिस्टेंस पे कभी बाय नहीं करते, रेजिस्टेंस पे सेल करते हैं। सेल, इसमें मोमेंटम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, सेलिंग कम थी, और इसलिए वापस ब्रेकआउट हो गया ऊपर। ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम आए, यहाँ से ऊपर जाने के चांस थे, लेकिन यहाँ से ही चला गया। ठीक है, पहली बार अभी 6.85 लेवल पे जो है ये रिजेक्ट करा उसे। अभी देखते हैं नेक्स्ट हमारी मंथली कैंडल 5 डेज़ में क्लोज हो रही है, वो बुलिश इंगोल्फिन में है और बहुत मैटर करेगी वो भी, और वीकली भी। हम वीकली मंथली तो बुलिश ही हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म तो बुलिश हैं, इवन हम 3000 तक आ जाएँ तो बुलिश ही हैं। लेकिन फॉर नाउ 10K इज़ अवर मेजर लेवल जो हमें ब्रेक करना है अगर हम देखना चाहते हैं बिग मूव इन बिटकॉइन। जब तक 10K ब्रेक नहीं होता, कोई बिग मूव का प्रॉमिस नहीं कर सकते। ऑल टाइम हाई का ये सब 10K के बाद डिसाइड होगा बेस्ड ऑन मार्केट क्या कर रही है। ठीक है, इसके अलावा अभी जो मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ 8000 to 7800 के दरमियान अगर आता है तो गुड बाइंग है। उसके बाद यहाँ पे एक यहाँ पे ये रीटेस्ट होगा 684 टू 8500 का। अगर यहाँ पे आती है एक पुल, छोटी सी पुल बैक हाई लो दे के हमें ऊपर चल जाती है मार्केट, 8800 टू 9000 टेस्ट करेगी। अगर हम वो ब्रेक करते हैं तो फिर 95 टू 10,000 टेस्ट होगा। देखते हैं मार्केट, पता है क्या, मोमेंटम काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, लेकिन अभी मोमेंटम का रात से स्लो हो गया मोमेंटम काफ़ी। अगर वॉल्यूम देखा जाए और मूव्स देखी जाए तो वॉल्यूम लाइक मूवमेंट बहुत स्लो हो गई है मार्केट की, और ये बताती है कि कितनी वीक है। यहाँ से हमें देखा है कि मार्केट ऊपर गई, इसने रिजेक्ट किया, इसने हमें डबल टॉप दिया और RSI डाइवर्जेंस दे के बताया कि मैं यहाँ से नीचे आना चाहता हूँ 1 आवर पे। यहाँ पे अगर ये होल्ड नहीं करता 8100, देन चांस है 8000 टू 7800 आ जाए। अगर ये होल्ड करता है तो वेल एंड गुड, बिकॉज ये वीक सपोर्ट है और मेरा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है इस पर बाय करने का। मैं यहाँ से ये वापस ऊपर जाके, ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये नेक लाइन हो जाएगी, ये ऊपर जाके यहाँ से ये हेड एंड शोल्डर बन जाएगा, ठीक है, हेड एंड शोल्डर। शॉर्ट टर्म में ये एक बेरिश साइन है, ठीक है। हेड एंड शोल्डर ब्रेक होता है तो बेस्ड ऑन हेड एंड शोल्डर ये हम देख सकते हैं अराउंड 7800 तक आ सकता है, ठीक है। अगर ये हेड एंड शोल्डर कंप्लीट हो के ब्रेक होता है, फॉलो अप होता है। ऑलरेडी एक हेड एंड शोल्डर यहाँ था स्मॉल वन, वो फेल हो गया। अब ये देखते हैं, ये मच क्लियर है उससे। अब ये देखते हैं अगर ये होता है तो हाई चांस है कि हम ये देख सकें एक पुल बैक, ठीक है। दैट्स इट, यही बताना था आपको इस वीडियो में। ये इसके स्क्रीनशॉट में ले लूँ जस्ट इन केस 1 आवर जो RSI 50 के बिलो हो गई है क्लोज। And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next live. Allah Hafiz. Bye.